Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, market is open and as expected, as discussed, market is silent. There's not much volatility or activity going on in the market. If you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, as we discussed in our previous video, market is or DXY is showing an uptrend. DXY is continuing the upside. The next resistance for DXY is still the same, that is 103.95 to 104 level. My dear friends, there will not be any crazy volatility, I believe, because the market is mostly waiting for the CPI, that is tomorrow. So till tomorrow, we may see a market like this where we will not see crazy volatility or extreme volatility. So not only about DXY or Euro USD, keep in mind that whenever there is less volatility in the market, usually you should try to avoid breakout or breakdown trades, because for breakout or breakdowns we need volatility, and if there's not much volatility, then usually the false breakout is a bitter reality. Okay, so DXY is right now standing at 103.73. It is slowly going up. Maybe it will hit 104 103.95 level as well, and possibly it will reverse. If not a complete trend reversal, at least it will try to reverse, or not try to reverse. The sellers around this area will try to push the market down. At least they should hold the market for a couple of hours. Okay, let's see. Right now I'm recording the video during the Asian session. I don't know what will happen during the US session, so please be careful and trade accordingly. Volatility will always play a big role, so please be careful. Now Euro USD, and in my previous video I believe that we talked about the importance of 1.0670. Okay, and though DXY is trying to go up, but Euro USD is not ready to break the support. So just imagine the strength of the buyers around this area. The buyers around this area are not ready to surrender. So in case market shows a downside also, okay, in case market shows a downside also during the day, please be careful. Okay, please be careful. Do not take a sell position immediately, because whenever we have a strong presence of buyers in a particular area and there is not much selling power, okay, then usually after a couple of hours you may see market again going inside the range again. So please be careful. Okay, so instead of going for a sell position in less volatile market, you may try to look for a buy position around the next support, that is 1.0580. In case during the US session DXY shows massive green candles and Euro USD starts falling, then that's a different chapter. But in this ongoing volatility, you should avoid breakout or breakdown trades. That is just my request to everyone. And if you already have taken a buy position in this present level, then you can be on the trade. And if you're looking for fresh buy position also, I'll say that yes, you can look for a quick buy position or risky buy position. Okay, you can go for a risky buy position here, but keep in mind this is very risky. Beginners, new traders, traders with less capital, you should avoid. Okay, but already if you have taken, be on the trade. And if you want to take some higher risk, you can take a little small lot size here as well. Plus do not forget to follow risk management. Okay, because one bad trade may wipe out your whole capital, may wipe out the profit of the entire week, profit of the entire month. So to be honest, the strong support levels on the chart of Euro USD are 1.0580, 1.0500 to 1.0480. If you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay, so in this low volatile market, again I'll repeat that you should look for buy position at support instead of taking a sell at breakdown, because it can be a little bit risky. In case during the European session, US session, market shows a downside with volatility and volume, then that's a different chapter. You can go for it. Okay, but as of now, taking a buy position at support seems to be the logical trading opportunity. And though market is standing at support right now, but you can see the DXY is slowly it is going up. But buyers present around 1.0670 are still not ready to surrender. If you have taken a buy position already, you can be on the trade. And if you're an experienced trader and if you want to go for a risky buy position, you can also take a buy position as well. But do not forget, this is a risky buy position beginners, new traders should avoid. Okay, and the resistance is still the same. The strong resistance is around 1.0800. Okay, because of previous support around this area, which will act as the new resistance, and before that we also have some minor resistance around 1.0710. Around this area we have some minor resistance. During the day, if market tries to show an upside, okay, you can expect a reversal again if the volatility of the market is low. Yes, the market is all about volatility. Okay, so if market reverses, you can look for a quick sell position. But otherwise, if you see the market is going up with candles like this, then obviously use your common sense and just avoid. See, trading and common sense go side by side. Do not trade blindly. So this is all about the Euro USD. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. After all, we are all students of the market. Bye bye, take care. And this is mindless, I can be wrong as well. Follow proper risk management, your own calculation. Bye bye.